Now, your Storm Team 18 forecast. Weather from where you live.
All right, very cold out there this midday. 18 degrees right now, Lafayette, 18 Attica, 20s up in Newton and Jasper County. We have a little bit of cloud cover to the northwest, or northeast, that is. 19 degrees Rochester, 19 Kokomo, 16 Frankfort and Crawfordsville. And it is pretty windy out there still. We're seeing sustained constant winds at about 13 miles per hour in Lafayette, 13 in Rensselaer, 23 miles per hour in Kokomo, and that is just sending the wind chills down into the single digits for all of us. Feels like 0 degrees Frankfort, 1 degrees Crawfordsville, 5 in Lafayette, 2 Kokomo. Feels like 9 degrees up in Morocco and Rensselaer this midday. So if you're going to be going outside, make sure to layer up, protect any exposed skin. Multiple layers will be needed, and whenever that wind kicks up, certainly it's that biting cold. There's this Arctic air mass, the Arctic cold front well off now to the east, and we are left with high pressure really sending down that Arctic air, very dry air as well. But what we're left with is a little bit of lake effect clouds as well as some lake effect flurries could be falling up toward Rochester, and we may see this occur later on this evening. We'll see this on Futurecast here in just a couple of minutes. But what's happening, that cold air is running right over that warm water of Lake Michigan. That warm water is evaporating, condensating as it'll make clouds, and then those clouds get pushed off to the southeast into our viewing area thanks to those very strong upper level winds that's pushing in that colder air. So looking at Futurecast right now, you can see we will be dealing with those lake effect clouds for the next at least a few hours into this evening, and then once this tonight happens, we'll start to see a lot of this push off to the east, and will give way to more clear conditions. If we get those surface winds, look how they're more southwesterly, westerly going into your Friday. Still going to be downright cold tomorrow morning, another morning to really bundle up, layer up for your morning commute. But it'll be a nice sunny Friday to end the work week. Then getting into the weekend, we will start to see these winds for Saturday start to turn a little bit more to the southwest, which will help warm us up near normal for Saturday and above normal for Sunday and Monday. For the rest of today, expect nice sunshine, 24 degrees by 3 o'clock. West-northwest winds will still be ramping up 20 miles per hour, but it will calm down tonight. But clear skies, a northwest wind regardless, will really get us cold once again tomorrow morning, down to possibly 10 degrees with single-digit wind chills tomorrow morning, and staying in the teens for those wind chills tomorrow. Southwest, west-southwest winds, about 29 degrees for our high for our Friday. And again, like I said, even warmer for Saturday and Sunday, since we'll see more stronger winds coming in Saturday afternoon. And it's going to be pretty breezy Saturday and Sunday. Sunday, we're going to be increasing the cloud coverage going into about 8 o'clock in the evening hours. We may see a few scattered light sprinkles. The latest runs with these models have been really pushing a lot of the rain further off to the southeast. I think the heavier rain will be right over the Ohio Valley. So we may see kind of get grazed by some of these showers, a few rumbles of thunder, but I do think most of it will be eastward. We'll kind of just see the back edge of this system, which will linger into Monday morning, early afternoon, and then another cold front will begin. You can see it here clearly right there. There's that cold front Tuesday afternoon. That's going to bring in cooler air, and it will give us more dry conditions for the rest of next week for Thursday and Friday. So another blast of cold air is expected going into next week. Going day by day here, Friday, tomorrow, 29. 42. Big difference there. Saturday, we'll get the sun out. It gets breezy. It'll stay windy going into Sunday and Monday, and we'll see those rain chances. The weekend, it looks fairly dry nonetheless. 50 degrees on Sunday, 54 on Monday before that cold front starts to move in on Tuesday. Can't rule out maybe just a little isolated rain snow mix Tuesday, but that'll be on the lower end once that dry air really starts to move into the viewing area. But then the cold front moves in and that colder air does infiltrate. It's not going to be as cold as what we've been seeing the last few days, so that's good news there. We'll be at 34 Wednesday, 30s Thursday, then right back to possibly near normal temperatures as we get toward the later portion of next week and into next week in Madison.
Thanks, David.